Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok's repost button not showing. If you want to know the solutions to the TikTok repost button not showing, through this video, I'm going to give you some common solution to fix the problem. The first one is you need to update the TikTok app. So you can check it on the Play Store. You can go find TikTok in here and see if the TikTok apps need any update. So ensure you have the latest version of the TikTok app. If there is an update available in here, you just need to download and install it. And the second way that you can do is clear the app cache and data. You can go to the app settings by long press on the TikTok icon on the home screen. Click on this info icon. So here you need to open your device setting and find the app settings like this, and then you can just tap on the storage and cache, clear the cache, and also clear data or storage. But you need to know that if you do this, then you need to log out, then you will be logged out of your TikTok account. So the third one, or the next one, is you can restart your device. You can turn off and turn it back on to refresh the system. And the fourth one, you can also check for the internet connections. You need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try to switch from Wi-Fi to the mobile data if possible. And you can also see if when you do switch between Wi-Fi and mobile, you can see if it resolves the issue. The fifth one, you can reinstall the app. You can first uninstall the app from your device, and then after that you can reinstall it again. So by removing the TikTok app and reinstalling it, you can also resolve the issue. Then the last one is you can check for the video settings, because some creators might have disabled the repost options for their videos. And if none of these solutions work, you might want to contact the TikTok support teams for further assistance. Because remember that the TikTok feature and interface can change frequently, so it's always a good idea to keep your app updated and check for any new informations or updates from TikTok. And so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the like button, leave a comment, click on subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.